When I got the call that Ready TV will be providing internet for Tullow Primary School, it was one of the happiest days in my life. And I want to say a big thank you again, sir, because we will be using this tool to ensure that we move our children to the highest standard of teaching and learning.
Tullow Primary in St. Catherine is the second of over 200 schools in rural Jamaica that are to receive free unlimited internet access to bridge the digital divide.
We must have connectivity throughout the length and breadth of the country, and that is what this government, and I tell you, the Prime Minister is passionate about it, so that you can be able to communicate anywhere at all, within Jamaica and outside of Jamaica.
In an effort to mitigate the spread of COVID-19, government moved most classes to cyberspace as it closed schools at the start of the outbreak in March. Though online teaching has ensured that learning continues for most students, this is not the case for all. During a press conference on May 4, Minister of Education Carl Samuda revealed that 31,000 children in rural communities were unable to participate in online lessons either because they could not access or afford internet connectivity. To bridge this digital divide, government has entered into an arrangement with Ready TV to provide satellite connectivity to the rural schools and communities in need.
I had no hesitation in seeing to his engagement in trying to reach out to Jamaica and provide all the schools, all the locations, all the homes where the children and the parents have been denied internet access.
What we're delivering here is a satellite delivered internet. We are looking at a satellite 22,000 miles away in the sky, and we have literally or virtually parachuted in internet into this location in a matter of a few minutes. We are going to be rolling out that internet across the island to make it available to everybody.
This technology utilizes a wireless connection that involves 3 satellite dishes, one at the internet service provider's hub, one in space, and one at the location of choice. It is fast and can handle high bandwidth usage, so this makes it one of the most efficient forms of connectivity for schools in remote communities like Tullow.
We were able to reach only 65% of our children via internet. And the reasons for that is that a number of communities are having difficulty in terms of connectivity with internet. And so one of the plans that we have to make to facilitate our children is for some children who are not able to have internet access is to provide printed material. So they would not be left behind. And so for this now, for Ready TV to take on this, believe you me, we are so excited, and I know everybody, is jumping over the moon.
But providing satellite internet to rural communities is just one of the projects coming out of the ministry's partnership with Ready TV.
What COVID-19 has done is to expose the fact that we, Jamaica, are a small third world country, and our infrastructure is just that. But it gives us the impetus to improve it, and certainly the ministry has embarked on that in a number of ways. So delivering internet through companies like Ready TV is only one. We've also launched with the ministry an entire educational television channel, 24/7, that's also available.
Mr. Daring says the educational channel, dubbed eHome School Network, has also been launched in collaboration with a number of corporate sponsors. The channel is available to all cable companies. It provides live and recorded educational content and classes to students across the island on both television and the internet.
All the students must be given an opportunity at an early stage of their lives to maximize their potential, and they can only maximize their potential if they are given the facilities, the tools with which to work.